Okay, so if you press this, oh no, an alarm is going off. I forgot to turn it off. Let me kill it. And it shuts off. You can flick that back off. Oh, the alarm shut off. That's cool. I flick that switch back and the alarm doesn't go off when I press that one. That's right, it's not going to. So you can go in and out of this one right here, and the alarm will not go off. Flick this, go outside. Now the alarm's not going to go off no matter what you do. Turn it back off. The alarm goes off. You gotta come over here and flick that one, because if you come over here and flick the kill switch, or the alarm panel button, that's weird. Nothing happens. So you gotta come back here, flick that. Ideally, you'd have like a hidden room back here or something, you know, like a painting right here that you have to scaffolding. Oh, look at this. Whatever. You get the point. Anyways. Here's how it's done. You got a repeater, or a comparator right here. You flick the alarm panel switch, it cuts off the power from right here. So you can flick the switch in there. Let's just break it and there you go. You can see it no longer does that. When you press this, it goes over here, feeds a redstone clock that then, as long as you have that off at least, then it'll feed a redstone clock that goes and does this. Hit the kill switch, it kills the redstone clock and no longer does that, etc., etc. And that's how that works.